to. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make your very own big, wide-mouthed frog. It's like a puppet. All right? And with me, I have my daughter Zendaya, and she's my assistant.
Hello.
So she's going to help guide you guys how to make your very own wide-mouthed frog. All right. These are some of the materials we're going to be using. You're going to have a sheet of green paper. You can cut out a tongue, frog web feet, a pair of eyes, and I just have some green pieces of paper that we're going to attach to the eyes for his eyes to be more 3D. And they're, what shape are these in there?
They're rectangles.
Awesome. And I have 2 markers. I got a green and a black, some glue, and of course your scissors to cut out your different parts of your frog. So the first step is to fold the green paper.
And you fold it to where you fold it like this and it's even.
Yes.
When it's even, then you can fold it over. That's how you get it.
You can seal it. You see how it folds. So it's 3 parts. So you got that third one. You're gonna seal it. You're gonna put some glue to stick the edge.
About 3 to 4 strokes is okay.
Next, you're gonna fold it. First, you fold it in half, like that. Then, with the open parts, you're gonna fold it back, like this. Seal it. So that's the first fold, and then you turn it over, and you fold it over again. And this will be the beginning of your puppet. So, to put your hands through the hole to open it, like that. And open it like that. Now, Zendaya's gonna finish decorating it.
So firstly, I want to do the eyes. You can use any type of black marker, any black marker you can find. I'm just gonna put a little dot just to make it cute. Next, I'm gonna decorate the webbed feet. Now, I'm going to stick the tongue in. Next, I'm going to stick on the eyes.
And what she's doing is sticking the white circle to the green, the strips of green papers that we had. And then she's gonna stick it to the head of the frog. Put some glue on the other side so she can be able to stick it. Fold it over and then stick it. A little bit more glue. right, he got his eyes. Now she's going to stick his web feet on the bottom. Awesome. Well, how about those feet?
Now I'm going to stick on the webbed feet.
We done? Now you have your very own big wide-mouthed frog. She's gonna fix his nose, put her nose, draw a nose on his face. And the last thing she did was draw his nose on. There you have it. Pre-K2, your very own big, wide-mouthed frog. Hope you have fun doing this activity.